Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. The Jeep Wrangler Style 12-volt battery electric ride-on is just superb looking. A well-constructed ride-on with easy assembly and top quality paintwork, making it a great gift for any occasion that requires a really cool SUV. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The adjustable suspension allows you to fine-tune the ride comfort for your child. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Padded leather style seats. Power steering technology makes it easier for your child to turn on a sixpence. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. The working bonnet makes for quick and easy storage. The off-road wheel design gives the car more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. The livery on this car has been designed to spark your child's imagination. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.